All right. Now that we're all happy and in love and in a good space, after some time things start to happen, right? Yeah? So maybe things have been going good and, they ain't texting no more like they used to. They ain't calling you up. They tell you funny things like they want to go away. This is called And I. Once upon a time, I gave you my everything. I gave you my last breath. Then you walked away, and I couldn't stop you from leaving, and I'm still in love with you, and you will always be the one that I can't have. I see you with someone else, and do they bring you joy? If that is how it's meant to be, then I'll walk away. And I couldn't stop you from leaving. Why do I still love you? 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 Why can't you stay with me? Why can't you stay with me? Why can't you stay with me, baby? Why can't you stay with me? I'm still in love with you, and I see you walking away. Couldn't make you stay. And I'm still in love with you, and I'm still in love with you.